Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox. What we're going to do today is we are going to work with our 3D printer, and what I got was a little Ender Pro 3, and really pretty easy to assemble and put together. Had really straightforward instructions, and I didn't really show the unboxing because there's a lot of other videos out there that show it and go step by step on each part that you put together. But anyway, I just wanted to show you some of the things that I made with this little 3D printer. And there we go, one little dog made. One of the first things that I made, this was a little dog, and it took several hours to print it. It was already on the little micro card as a test print, and so after I did that, everything made me feel pretty good that all the settings and all that were good on the printer. Then my second project was this little mini piggy bank, and looked real good. Even has a little slot in the top that you could put small coins, and it came out really good. Happy with him. He even got a little grin on his face. One of the next things that I made, this is going to have to do with when I do my sand casting and all of that, and these are some of the, like the runners and spin trap for all of those parts, and that will make it easy having these parts already printed. I was able to get this off of my friend's channel. It's Swdweeb. And I was going to see what else I needed to print off there, but this gave me some really good patterns to practice with. And then something that I did from start to finish on my own, this is a little license plate for a bicycle, and did it for my granddaughter. And it did really pretty well, but one thing that I'm going to do another one tomorrow, but I didn't have the bed temperature right, and after it started doing all the printing, it started kind of lifting off of the bed on the corners. But I saw that it was doing that, and I thought, I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to let it go and just see how it does. But anyway, all in all, it did pretty well. Well guys, I tell you what, it was really a lot of fun to learn a few new programs, a CAD program and then the Slicer program, and that way it just made everything work really smooth on printing these shapes and figures. So as always, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.